When it comes to sorting out the load outside the caravan and making sure that everything's secure, a couple of things to remember. We don't want to have too much weight up the front. We also don't want to have too much weight down the back. I've seen people travelling with large toolboxes out the back, with push bikes out the back, even somebody carrying a motorbike out the back of the caravan. All of this weight down the back can destabilise a van very quickly and make it very unsafe for travel. It is very important to ensure that when you are travelling, you travel with the water tanks full. This does two things. It means that should you decide to do a free camp, you've got water on hand. The other thing it does is it makes sure that the weight of the caravan is down low and the centre of gravity is also therefore lowered, making the caravan more stable. Travelling with those water tanks half full can also lead to stability issues. You think about it, we carry 180 litres of water, or up to 180 litres of water in the water tanks. If they're half full, that equates to somebody my size running from one side of your caravan to the other while you're trying to drive around corners. That could also lead to stability issues. As we continue our walk around to check the security of everything that we're putting away, the awning stays, make sure that they are well secured, that the catch is in place, everything's done up nicely. We quite often put a piece of Velcro around the awning stay to help with that security as well. Other things to look for, make sure that all the jack stays are in place, make sure that you remove your chocks, and ensure that your gas bottles are off.
If you're new to caravanning, have a checklist and tick it off as you go. After you've been doing it for a while, it becomes a bit of a routine.
And it's not just about throw and go. You need to be really careful how you secure all the items inside the caravan, making sure that the weights are correct, because if you haven't got it right, it can really lead to safety issues.